Hi YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode, guys. This mystery box right here is going to be $1,500 and it is from the company Sneak City, so you guys already know it's going to be a good one. One of the best mystery box companies out there in the country right now, so I'm excited to open that one up today. But before I get into it, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is the best minimalistic jewelry company on the market, guys. And the two things that I love the most about Rose Gold and Black is, number one, the style of the jewelry is very, very dope. As you guys can see, I'm actually wearing one of their pieces right now, but literally all of their pieces on their website, necklaces, bracelets, rings, whatever it is, they all have a minimalistic aesthetic, which I really appreciate. And the second thing that I really love about them is the affordability of their product, because I don't want to be spending a lot of money on jewelry. The less money that I spend on jewelry means the more money that I can actually spend on shoes and stuff. So I'm looking for a style, but at the same time, I want a good price point. And I honestly think that Rose Gold and Black has the best bang for your buck. So go ahead and check out their website today, guys. When you guys use that link in the description below, you guys will get 25% off your order. And additionally, when you guys use the code UNTIED, you guys will get an additional 10% off, making your total savings 35% off. So again, check it out today. Great savings over there, affordable and also stylish. Anyway, let's get into this mystery box now. Again, this one is $1,500 and it is from the company Sneak City. The Sneak City is based out in Seattle and they actually just started up a YouTube channel as well. So if you guys want to check that out, you guys can. Looks like we have a lot of SB boxes and whoa, okay, I don't like seeing that box over there. But we'll take out these first. Size 11 Nike Dunk High SB and okay, wow, okay, this might be a dead stock pair of the De La Souls. We might have started off the box with like one of the better shoes like in this mystery box. You do not see shoes in this condition anymore, guys. Like this thing is flawless. Take a look at everything on the shoe. I don't see any issues over here at all, and obviously it's a white shoe, so if there's any like damage or anything, you would see it right away. There is zero toe box creasing over the top over here. Bottoms are 100% clean too, so no issues at all. And the De La Soul is like one of the most coveted dunk highs there is, so this one should sell really, really quick. This is a great first shoe, and I'm sure there's a lot of value over here on the counter. If you guys are new to the channel and you guys do want to cop any of these sneakers, you guys can head over to untitledwarrior.com. They will be loaded up on the website over there. And I do want to apologize really quickly because I did have an issue with the website last week where it was private for some reason, and also there was no way to check out. So shout out to the guys that were helping me out in the comments saying like, oh, there's something wrong with the website, can you take a look and whatnot. It really saved me a lot, so I appreciate you guys over there. All right, next out is another Nike SB box. It looks like we have 6 shoes in here total. This one is a Nike SB Air Jordan 1 low though. Oh, I know what this is probably. Okay, size 10.5 men's. Yep, this is a pair of the Midnight Navy Jordan 1 lows, and this is another really, really clean pair of sneakers, man. I've actually seen this in a mystery box recently, and I didn't realize these things hold like pretty decent resale value, like surprisingly. It's just not a shoe that I would wear, but a lot of people like this one. Jordan 1 low, I believe that this is a collaboration with Eric Costin. The colorway I really like a lot is that Midnight Navy colorway, very reminiscent to the actual Jordan 1 high that just released recently. This one is worn though. You guys can see some creasing on the toe box over here. I would say this condition is like an A for a worn sneaker, not bad. So this is another one that should fetch a good amount of money, and I think that we're starting it off really strong for this mystery box. This is the kind of stuff you want to see. Easy to move shoes. Obviously dead stock is better, but even if it's worn, as long as it's in conditions like this, it will sell. Okay, we can take out this box over here. This is the box I was kind of cringing at the beginning because you don't want to see these boxes in mystery boxes. Vans off the wall box. And I mean, I like Vans. Vans are a cool shoe. It's just in terms of a mystery box, when we're trying to make money on these sneakers, right? You don't want to see Vans in there just because there's not resale value on Vans. Like you can pretty much go to a Vans like store and you can find whatever shoe you want over there. It's not hard. They're always on the shelf. They don't sell out unless it's like a huge collaboration like Fear of God, which this is not the Fear of God one. So again, everything I just said holds true. This is not one you want to see. But we'll take a look anyway. This one is a size 11 Skate High Pro. And she got me on this one again, man. I just did that whole rant about Vans and whatnot, and she got me because this is not a pair of Vans. This is a replacement box, and it looks like we got another pair of Nike SBs, so that is crazy. Dude, and I don't even know what Nike SB this is. This is wild. What shoe is this? It is kind of cool, and it looks like there's some kind of like collaboration shoe or something because the insole does have like an image that is pretty unique, and I mean the colorway is very unique as well. It's just I have no idea what this is. Comment down below if you guys know what this one is or are familiar with the backstory of this one. On the insole, as you can see, there's like an image of a skull in here with a very intricate design. So I'm assuming that this is a collaboration shoe of some kind. It kind of gives me like Halloween vibes with the orange and the green and the purple too. So that would be my guess if I had to guess like what kind of shoe this is. Some kind of Halloween collaboration sneaker. Whatever it is though, it is a little bit worn, but still a lot better than a Vans. So yeah, Sneak City, they got me again with the replacement box. I should have just opened the box first, but great sneaker over here. All right, so 3 shoes left in here. This one is, dude, I swear there's like all Nike SBs in here except for one shoe. This looks like an entire Nike SB box. Size 9.5 Nike Dunkleo Pro. Oh, okay, I don't know what this one is either. It looks like a pair of like premium Nike SBs and like a brown leather kind of look. And I love the gum bottoms on this shoe. It's just the upper, the upper I really don't like, guys. Like on the liner over here, if you guys are skating this shoe, you don't really need like this premium leather on it. So it's kind of confusing, and this is probably gonna cut into your skin a lot with how like deep this cut is. It's kind of strange. So I'm not really like a big fan of like the functionality of this one. And also for the looks, I mean, not the greatest looking shoe. It kind of looks like a Tootsie Roll for some reason. So that's my only gripe with this one. It still is a Nike SB, so it should fetch some decent value, but I'm guessing this is probably one of the cheapest shoes on the counter so far. 2 shoes left in here. This one, like I was mentioning, is, oh wow, okay. This is a shoe that I really like, actually. Size 10 it says on this box. Obviously there's no lid on here, so yeah, not a good box, but the shoe itself is actually really cool. And this is one of the shoes that are on my wanted list on GOAT because I've wanted it for a very long time. It's a pair of the Nike SB Dunkleo Beijings, and man, this is like a very sick shoe to me. I've always wanted this one. The colorway is perfect, and everything about this shoe just screams like great design to me. So Nike Dunkleo Beijings, and when you guys look at those details, it makes it look for a very cool shoe. This golden swoosh with the red outline I think is one of the coolest things about it, and also on the back, that stitched in Nike in gold, very, very dope. The colors just work really well on this. Over here on the top, you guys can kind of see that Beijing like door handle kind of thing, and I think this is supposed to be modeled like after a palace in Beijing, which is why the shoe and stuff looks like concrete to an extent. It gives it a really cool look, and overall, man, just a really dope shoe. I just think this one is really nice, but the only problem with this is that it's in a size 10, and man, for SBs, a 10 is a squeeze for me. Like, I can fit this thing still, but my true size is 10.5, and I can't fit 11s, but a 10 is like pushing it. So I'm not sure if I can wear this one. I do really like this though. I've been wanting this one and we haven't seen it in a mystery box. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep it or should I not keep it? I think this one is solid. This is my favorite shoe in the box so far. Like, for sure, love this. And for the last shoe, this one is not a Nike SB because we got a Nike Off-White over here, Nike swoosh. This one is a size 7 Air Max 90 though, and it's from the 10 collection. So we already know what shoe this is. And this one is in solid condition considering like discoloration and stuff hits this shoe super hard. But for this Nike Air Max 90, it doesn't look too bad. So whoever was holding the shoe kept it in really good condition. Usually like all of this would be covered in like yellow at this point, so that's why this thing is in really good condition so far. I don't see any markings on this one either. The suede and like all of those leathers and stuff on here look pretty good. Nothing going on with the tongue, and inside lining looks fine. So overall, very nice Off-White over here. And I mean, you guys know what you're getting with this shoe at this point. Like, it's obviously super hyped. You guys want like this kind of stuff on here, the zip tie, all of the extra laces, so all of that comes in there. So it is what it is. I'm not super thrilled over like Off-White shoes at this point. Like, I think the fad kind of ended and stuff, and the hype isn't really there, but a lot of people still really like the original 10 collection. So in terms of resale value, it's a great sneaker, and overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. We saw 5 Nike SBs, and we also got that 1 pair of Off-White. So it was a super strong box. Again, $1,500. We got the dead stock De La Soul, which could flip instantly if we needed to. Off-White Air Max 90. Somebody's gonna buy that no matter what. And SBs are still hot right now, so this is all kind of stuff that we can move really quick. So I would say that's a very strong box. Anyway, again, if you guys do want to buy any of these shoes, they will be on untitledway.com. You guys can check it out on the website. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots!